Hi, Gina here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a free gift with ConvertKit, and this is the free version of ConvertKit. So I'm here at the login page, and I'm going to put in my email address and password and go to login. So here is the dashboard area when you first log into ConvertKit, and this is my demo account, so there's not much in here, but what I'm going to do is go to landing pages and forms. And this could create any kind of free gift. So I'm just going to go to create new, and you can do either a form or a landing page. So if you don't have WordPress, you can have ConvertKit design a page for you. So I'm just going to click on the landing page template. So let's pick something fairly simple. I'm just looking through these layouts, and you have different layouts that you can pick from. So I kind of like this one, so let's choose this one. And so you can customize this. Okay, so you don't have to necessarily say subscribe here. You can say something else, and then here's the email address. You can also add a field, so maybe you want a first name. So custom field, let's go to first name, make that required, and you can change the formatting if you want. So let's just pull this up. I like to have it at the top. And this is already required by default. And you can change this privacy statement or link to the privacy policy on your website. So let's go ahead and go to my website. And let's grab the privacy policy link. So let's scroll down to the bottom, and I have a privacy policy right here. And if you don't have a WordPress website live, you can always link to this later or just have a simple privacy statement. So I'm just going to link this by putting it in there and going to add link. And now you can see it's underlined when you mouse over it. So this I'm going to customize, and I'm going to rename this so that I can easily find it. And that's an internal name, so it's okay. You can preview this if you want and exit the preview. And you may want to switch this picture, so maybe I'll just go to Unsplash and look for a fun image. So let me just look here. Lots of good options here, so you can use whatever you like. That's kind of funny. So maybe I'll switch the picture later, but I'm just going to find something for now. So let's go with this one. And you can always compress this, but I'm just going to leave it large for now so that I can do this quickly. So let's replace the image and upload. So you can actually go to Unsplash if that's integrated. So let's just go to my downloads. This is the image, and you may want to rename it. So just something to remind you what this is, and go to open. So there it is, and that looks nice. So let's go to the settings, and here you can have a success message or redirect to a thank you page on your WordPress site. So if you don't have a WordPress site live, you don't have to do this option. You can just do the success message. So domain name, you can skip this if you want. Incentive, you can decide whether you want to have the double opt-in turned on or not. So I like to have it turned off. And sometimes this is discouraged, but I like to have it turned off. And under advanced, you can show something in particular if somebody is signing up again. SEO, you can add some information here. And you can add an image, optimize that later. Let's go back to general. So if you're not having them confirm, you'll want to customize this. And maybe you'll change this later. So I'm just going to save and go to save and publish. And you can always edit this as you go along. So this is saving. And let's just go to share. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, or you have this kind of long, ugly URL. You can also embed it onto WordPress. So let's just go to the URL and check this. And there's no success message yet, but I'm just going to test this. So let's go to sign up. And that's the message. So I should be on the list now. And you can also tag people within ConvertKit as you're trying to optimize this. So let's just go back, save and publish one more time. And we can click on landing pages and forms. And if you would like, you can see that there's one subscriber in here. So you can check this if you want. And if you're using a premium version of ConvertKit, you can also add an email sequence that follows up automatically. Or you could just do broadcast to this subscriber list. And that's all there is to it. Have a great day.